Welcome back to Hong Kong. This is room 701 of the new or renewed Regent. And I love the view across the harbour, and I love the sculpture on the windowsill. Apparently all the rooms are going to have them, but they haven't got them yet, but I've got mine. Swing around and I can see Hong Kong Museum of Art, and I can see across Salisbury Road to the old Sim Cha Tsui. And I really like the fact that there's so much greenery here. Look what I'm looking down at. Yeah, this is Hong Kong, and you don't think of Hong Kong as greenery until you get up here. And that is Rosewood and the incredible shopping mall. And there's the Regent swimming pool. That hasn't changed. I'm so pleased lots of things haven't changed, but the rooms certainly have. Look at this. Let's start with the ceiling and this glorious gold inset, which matches the famous hat. And I like the desk looking out over the window, and this long window seat, the entire length of the room. Here, the flooring is soft carpeting going through into the walk-through closet, and we've got wood, and we come on through. I think I can walk all the way around, and here we are in the bathroom with a marvelous tub. This is the wet area with a ceiling set shower and wall set shower. And this tub, now how one gets into it and gets out of it is another matter. That might be a bit of a challenge. We need a stool. Ah, there's a stool over there. Let's see what we can do later. And very simple. I think toiletries are in that bag there, and one long sink that actually is divided into two. And then we're around again. Haven't come up, oh yes, here it is. I was just saying, hadn't come across the entertainment centre, but here it is. It's a bit dark here. I'm sure I'm going to be able to find a light, but coffee machine, which indicates that we've got a minibar somewhere. And we've got this exquisite silhouette tea set. Room 701 at the Regent, Hong Kong.